back to my channel. Just me and Charlie hanging out here. Tony's gonna be home here in a couple minutes. He just had to run to the store. I am going to be, actually today, dyeing my hair. And I think I wanna do it like a metallic blue, which is what we have right back here on the bed. I'm going to be using this color. This got to be, I believe this is the same one that I used in the past. I'm not 100% sure. I know it was a metallic blue, and I believe it was the Blue Mercury, which is the color that this is. If I'm not mistaken, that's the same color. I'm excited for the results because I really loved it last time I used it. So you can see right here, if you're dark blonde, that's gonna be your outcome. They're all pretty similar, slightly darker. This is medium brown to, light to medium brown, I'm sorry. And then this one's dark brown. Okay, so before I just jump in head first, dyeing my hair this metallic-y color, the first thing I'm going to do is bleach it. And I know it doesn't need to be bleached. Obviously it says on the back here that it's okay for brown hair, so we're like good. So it'll just be, I'm assuming, light metallic-y blue and then just a darker up here. I'm hoping that the difference isn't too drastic though. Before we do that though, my concern is this pink right here mixing with the blue. I don't want to come out and have dark blue, purple, light blue. I'm not feeling that look. So I think what I'm going to do to resolve that issue is, let me actually adjust my camera a little. I just had to pan it down a little bit so you guys could see. I know that it looks a little fried and frizzed. I actually haven't been using conditioner the past couple of weeks because of some of issues that we've kind of had around my house. I won't go into detail, but I haven't been using a conditioner. So that's why it kind of looks fried and frizzed. I mean, it is fried from all the blonde that I put in it, but that's why it looks like just kind of more damaged than normal. So this is also the last time you will see pink in my hair unless I'm wearing a wig, because I am not a fan of the pink at all. So without further ado, let's get started. The bleach that I'm going to be using is Amplified Flashlight Lightning Super Strength Bleach Kit, Volume 40 Cream Developer. The reason why I picked this one up is because it had really good reviews on Amazon, and it was also recommended along with this guy right here. So that's really the only reason for it. If anybody has a better one to use, leave that in the comments below. If you've used one before that's maybe safer for your hair or just better quality, let me know. All right, but let's mix it now and get that part done. Okay, so first thing, I'm going to put on my gloves here. Got our gloves on. We're going to empty the contents of the bleach powder. So after that, we're going to add the full contents of the developer into the bleach powder. And it also said to make sure you use all of it. That was important. Shake here a couple times just to make sure we get everything. And then it says to mix until it's completely dissolved. And there's no powder, no clumps, no lumps. Do it slow so you don't spill it all over the table. You almost need a bigger plastic container for this. Make sure you scrape it along the bottom too. It could be like Hamburger Helper when you have the little powdery guys hanging out in the bottom. I think we're all mixed up pretty good here. I'm not really seeing any lumpies left. Okay, gotta get my positioning good here because I'm not gonna be able to touch it again with these hands, so. All right, let's throw some bleach on this bad boy and see what we come out with. I'm hesitating because I'm seeing some pink right back here, and I didn't really plan on dyeing that, bleaching that. So hopefully that doesn't affect the blue at all. Hopefully we don't come out with any purple because that would be devastating. All right, let's throw this bleach on here. Okay, so this is after I dyed it. You can see that it's a little bit lighter up here. I've never actually used bleach and had it not work that well, and I feel like that's really what happened this time. So I think it's gonna be okay. We just have some different, I think what it's gonna make is just for some different shades of blue here. But these blues don't really look that too drastically different. So I'm thinking it's gonna be top, and it's just kind of, my hair is pretty much gonna look like this, just going down. It's gonna just get lighter towards the end. That's not horrible. I mean, that's okay. I don't really see a huge difference though, if I'm being honest, from before and after. Let me put this down a little bit so I can maybe compare them. So this is after, and then we'll see if we can get a before, or maybe just when I first started shooting the video. So, yeah. All right, let's get the blue on. My hair dye and my shower cap from bleaching my hair, but I didn't actually use this, which may explain why it didn't develop very well. We're just gonna push through it, honey. We're gonna push through. We're gonna do some science experiments today, class. Because also, another little disclosure, full disclosure thing, I put conditioner in my hair originally instead of shampoo. So I washed it out really good and then scrubbed it really good with shampoo. I'm hoping that doesn't mess everything up. But like I said, it's about to snow here. I'm not going back to the store if this doesn't work out. We're just gonna rock crazy hair for a couple of days if that's the case. And I will probably end up getting there this weekend or something to get more. So yeah, fingers crossed though, this works out. Get our nifty little gloves out here. So we have our developer lotion with our color cream here, and I've already pierced the bottle with the reverse end of the lid right here, and now I'm just going to empty the contents right on in. Oops. Let me just pan down here. So I'm just going to empty the contents then right on into the bottle here. I feel like we get everything. Put this little guy back on. Give this a good shake now. This back up here, make sure we're straight. Okay. And I got my little cap here that I'm gonna put it into after I finish. And I didn't actually read how long we're supposed to leave this on for. Okay, so leave-in to develop for up to 30 minutes, so. Let's see what this turns into. Here it is. So I like it. I like it better than the pink. And then I really ran out of dye. Like I couldn't go all the way to my roots. I wish, that's something I definitely wish I could have done. So what I think I'm going to do in 3 weeks, like I said, in 3 weeks we have a wedding. I'm holding up the number 2. In 3 weeks we have a wedding, so I'm thinking I'm probably going to pick up 2 more boxes from Amazon and throw this in my hair here in like 3 weeks, let it fade for like a week, and then just be good for the wedding. And of course go all the way to my roots, so it's all kind of blue with just, hopefully this, I'll be able to get this a little bit darker, I don't know. Also where it's pink, I feel like it's a little bit purpley, but it's like a super dark purple, so I'm okay with that. Sorry about the lighting. It's about 4:45, so I wanted to hurry up and wrap up this video before I lose too much lighting. Also, it looks like Charlie's been playing on the bed because the sheets are all messed up, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I gotta finish dinner, and I will just see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!